My name is Azka Magistra, and here I will talk about electrometallurgy. Electrometallurgy is the process of separation of metals from a rich solution resulting from leaching or smelting by using electrical energy involving electrochemical process both at high or room temperatures. For the principle of electrometallurgy, this is an electrolysis in which the use of electricity to precipitate a metal on one of the electrodes. The basic definition of electrolysis is the decomposition of ions due to presence of an electric current. And then the type of electrometallurgical implementation. The first is electrowinning, electrolytic precipitation. Is the step is recovering a metal from a leaching-rich solution using an externally supplied electric current. This process is generally carried out as the final stage of the hydrometallurgical extraction process when a relative high-grade metal product is desired. An example of its application in industrial practice is the extraction of copper, zinc, etc. And then electrorefining or electrolytic purification is an electrolytic process carried out for the purification of crude metal which usually has undergone a purification in other way. And it's hoped that the high purified purity can be achieved. For the example, the purity of copper resulting from the fire refining is increased to become electrolytic grade copper, which can reach a purity of 99% Cu. And electroplating or electrolytic coating is an electrolytic process used to coat a metal with another metal that is more valuable to make it more attractive or resistant to corrosion and oxidation and safety. In this case, the metal used for coating is printed as the anode and the metal being coated as the cathode. And fused salt electric is an electrolytic process carried out at high temperature and in small state used for the extraction and purification of reactive metal. An example is application is the extraction of aluminum metal from the melted alumina, and the purification is the resulting of aluminum metal. Besides that, is also used for the extraction of magnesium metal. And the last is electrothermic process. In electrometallurgical process used to smelt or convert crude metal scrap by converting electrical energy into heat energy. Okay. Usually, electrometallurgy is carried out in a molten after pyrometallurgical processing or liquid after hydrometallurgy. This is done to obtain a high purity of metal or mineral than before. With the existence of various processes in electrometallurgy, it can be grouped into two types regarding the use of electric current. For the first, for the purpose of actually carries out the room temperature, such as electrowinning, electrorefining, and electroplating. For the land, to generate heat for the SM in use halt electrolysis and electrothermic process. Electrometallurgical process properties in the cathode or reduction area, the more noble one experience purification, and the anode oxidation, the less noble does not experience purification. And for the effect of metallurgy, the first is high purity, high flexible, and relative low temperature. And disadvantage, the first is need a special material to be the electrodes required larger electrician energy. And then implication for the environment metal pollution only occurs when removing the remains of electrodes and electrolytes, which you sometimes still contain and heavy metal levels and high acid, low pH. Okay, thank you.